Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain division sums. Divide the following. In earlier videos, we have watched properties of division and then division on number line and then find the quotient by using repeated subtraction. All these you have learned. So today you are going to learn division sums. Just before doing the division sums, just we recall the properties of division. Division means dividing or sharing the total into equal parts. And division means repeated subtraction. This one you have to keep in mind. It is very important. Multiplication means repeated addition. But whereas coming to division, division means repeated subtraction. Is it clear, children? And the answer in division is called as quotient. The number to be divided is called as the dividend. And the number with which we divide is called as the divisor. And the number left over after division is called the remainder. So these are the properties of division. So now we are going to do the division sums. See here, 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. So whenever you are writing in your classwork book, please write 6 in one box, divide symbol in one box, 2 in one box is equal to, and the answer quotient in one box. Is it clear, children? So after writing the sum, just 6 in one box. Then draw the lines. See, some will be writing like this 6 and they will keep the arrow marks like this. Instead of writing like this, you are having check ruled books in your check ruled book for maths classwork. So you can write like this also. Write 6 in one box, then draw the lines. So, and then you have to divide by 2. So, if you know the table 2 table, you can write directly 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. But if you don't know, you can write the table here. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 2 how many times? 3 times. 2 3s are 6. Then what you have to do? Division means what? Repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction. 2 3s are 6. Write 6 in one box. Then you have to subtract. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So here 6 is dividend. 6 is dividend. Dividend. So 6 is dividend. 2 is divisor. 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 And then 3 is quotient. 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 And you can write it as capital letter Q also. Is it clear? Instead of writing quotient quotient full spelling, you can write Q. And 0 is remainder. 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 For remainder also you can write just R. Q for quotient and remainder. R for remainder. So this is division sum. So 3. Quotient is equal to 3. 2 3s are 6. So when you are having only single digit, you can do directly like this. But coming to double digit, when you are having 2 digits, see here, 95. When you are writing 9 1 box, 5 1 box, then draw the lines. So 95 is dividend and 5 is divisor. So now which table you have to read? 5 table with which you are dividing, that table you have to write. So when you are writing, when you are doing division with 5, see, when you are having 2 digits, you have to take the first digit, only one single digit you have to take. Don't directly you will read 5 tens are 50, 5 11s are 55, 5 12s are 60. No need of reading like that. So you can take only single digit. And the difference between addition, subtraction and multiplication with those three and with this division, the difference is in addition, subtraction and multiplication, you are doing with the last ones place. You are doing with ones place. But coming to division, you have to start with, if it is 2 digits, ones and tens place here, ones and tens place, you have to start dividing with tens place. If it is 3 digits, hundreds place you have to start. Is it clear, children? You just remind this point. It is very important. You don't just divide from ones place. Only for addition, subtraction and multiplication you will be doing from ones place. But coming to division, you have to start dividing with the first number. If it is 3 digits, you have to start with 100. If it is 2 digits, you have to start with tens place. So here, what is the number in tens place? 9. Don't see 5, just see only one number. What is there in tens place? 9. So now you write table. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. See here, 5 twos are 10. But here you are having only 9. So 10 is bigger. Always you have, whenever you are doing subtraction, you have to take smaller number. Smaller number or nearer number. Nearer to 9. Not bigger number. Smaller number and nearer to 9. So here you are seeing only tens place number, that is 9. So 9. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 10 number is bigger than 9. So you have to take the nearer number. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Is it clear, children? Then after taking 5 ones are 5, again what should you do? You should keep subtraction, minus symbol. You have to subtract. Division means repeated subtraction. So now you have to subtract. 5 after. So how you will be doing subtraction from downwards to upward. So 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? 4. So write here 4. Till then you don't see this 5. So now you have completed tens row. After completing tens row, you have to take ones row. Then you have to bring down 5 here. You have to bring down 5 here. Is it clear, children? So after completing first row, then you have to go to the second row. So when you are going to the second row, you have to bring down the second number by keeping the arrow mark like this. Now 45 you got. Now again you have to write the table. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. Did you get 45? If you won't get 45, you have to take the nearer number. Nearer number and smaller number than 45. Now here you are getting 45. So with which number you are getting? 5 nines are 5 nines are 45. Again after writing, what should you do? You have to subtract. 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. So the remainder is 0. Is it clear, children? So no need of writing 95 dividend 5 divisor. Just you write Q quotient is equal to 19 and R remainder is equal to 0. So this is the way how you have to do the division sum. First you have to take the first number. You have to multiply with the first number. After completing multiplication with the first number, then you have to go to the second number. Is it clear, children? Now here coming to another bit. See, 47 divided by 5. So 4 1 box, 7 one box. Then draw the lines. This is the dividend. And what is which number is the divisor? 5. 5 is the divisor. Is it clear, children? So now which table you have to write? 5 table. Now write. So which number you have to take? Here you are having 2 digits. So now which number you have to take? 4. See here. 4 you have to take. Will 4 go in 5 table? See here. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. See here. 5 ones are 5 you are getting. So 4 is smaller and 5 is bigger number. So it won't go. Then you have to take 0. If this number, if the first number, see here, I told you can write place values also, ones, tens. So first you have to see the tens row. So here in tens row, 4. 4 is smaller than 5. So it won't go. Then you have to take 0. Is it clear, children? So you have to take 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. So in multiplication only you get 0. Is it clear, children? So here 5 zeros are 0. Then what you have to do? You have to subtract again. Then 0 after 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 0 or 0 minus 4 is equal to 4. So tens row completed. Then you have to take down the ones row. Just you draw one line and keep the arrow mark like this. Then bring down 7. Now you have to divide with 2 digits. Here first one you have to divide with 1 digit. Now here you have to divide with 2 digits. Now 47. So 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 50. Till you get 47 or nearer to 47. Nearer means smaller than 47. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. See here, 5 tens are 50 means 50 is more than 47. Bigger than 47. So you have to see nearer number and smaller number. 5 nines are 5. Nines are 45. 5 nines are 45. Then after writing 5 nines are 45, then again what should you do? You have to subtract. Keep minus symbol and subtract. See, 5 after. So how you have to subtract from downwards? 5 after 6, 7. How many? 2. 4 minus 4, 0. So the remainder is 2. Is it clear, children? Dividend is 47. Divisor is 5. Quotient Q is equal to 9. And R remainder is equal to 2. So this is the way you have to do the division sum. Coming to another sum. See, 38 divided by 4. So write 3 one box, 8 one box. Then draw the lines. So 38 is dividend, 4 is divisor. Now which table you have to write? 4 table. So write. You can read table also. 4 ones are 4. So now here again after writing here write place values ones, tens. Now which row you have to take? Tens row. You have to take tens row. What is there in tens row? 3. Just you see 3 only. Don't see the ones row number. So 3. 3 is smaller than 4. So it is smaller. It won't go. 4 ones are 4 you are getting. But here it is 3. Then again what should you do? You have to take 0. You have to take 0. See here. 4 zeros are 0. Then subtract. Minus symbol. Keep the minus symbol. So 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. So tens row completed. First row or tens row completed. Then you have to go to the second row, ones place. Then you have to bring down the ones number. So just draw one line and keep the arrow mark and bring down. What is there in ones row? 8. So now bring down 38. Now you write the table again. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. See here, if you take 4 tens means 40. So 38. 40 is bigger than 38. So you have to take the smaller number and nearer number. What is the smaller number and nearer number? 4 nines are 36. 4 nines are 36. After writing here, again you have to do subtraction, repeated subtraction. Hit the minus symbol and subtract. So now here 38 minus 36. 6 wells. Doing subtraction you have to do from ones place. But when you are dividing you have to do from tens place. First number. So 6 after 7, 8. How many? 2. 3 minus 3, 0. Is it clear? Dividend is 38. Divisor is 4. Quotient Q. Quotient is equal to 9. And remainder R is equal to 2. Is it clear, children? See here, just you remember, if the number goes in the table, you can do from the first number tens place. But if it won't go in the table, just you have to take the 0. Is it clear, children? I hope you have understood these division sums. Watch the video, see the PDF and do the sums in your classwork book. Thank you.